ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು NEP ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ OEC ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ 2 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಉತ್ತರ ಸಹಿತವಾಗಿ ವಿತ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸರ್ತಿ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹಾಗಾದರೆ 4 ಅಂಕದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎನಿ 3 ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ 4 questions. In that we have to write answer for the 3 questions. Then we will get 3 into 4, 12 marks. And the first question is, what is water gas? Discuss its method of preparation. So first we have to define what is water gas, and then we have to write the methods of preparation. For definition there we get 1 marks, and for the method of preparation 3 marks. Next, B question, discuss coal gasification. We have to write the how the coal gasification is happened or made. Then C question, what is cracking? Differentiate between thermal and catalytic cracking. So here also it is a 1+3 question. Definition, for definition it carries 1 marks, and for differentiation between thermal and catalytic cracking there will be 3 marks. Next, D question, discuss how fuel derived from biomass. So we have to write the procedure or the preparation method of biomass from fuel is derived from biomass. So how we take the fuel from the biomass. So these are the first 4 questions. Next, main question number 3. Answer 3 of the following. A question, define biogas and explain the working of biogas. So as usually it is a 1+3 question. So for definition it carries 1 marks, and for the working of biogas procedure it carries 3 marks. Next, B question, explain the uses of gasoline, kerosene oil and diesel. Here we have to write the uses of gasoline, kerosene oil and diesel. So here for every question we will get 1 marks, but it's a 4 marks question. Here they will give 2 marks for any one of these, gasoline or kerosene oil or diesel. While writing, write a long answer for any one of these. Next, C question, explain the properties of viscosity index, cloud point and pour point. So you have to write the properties or the definition or the features of the following. Viscosity index, we can write the definition of viscosity index, then we have to write the properties, cloud point, pour point. Here also we get 4 marks, and we have to write one lengthy answer for any one of the following. Next, D question, explain disposal of nuclear waste. We have to write the disposal method of nuclear waste, how the nuclear waste is disposed. So these questions are from the March-April 2023 question paper. These are the first 8 questions which carries 4 marks, which we discussed in this is the part 2 video. Remaining questions we will discuss in the part 3 video, and those questions also carries 4 marks. Hope you have got all the questions clearly. If you want the answers, please comment us below. We will try to make the or solve the question paper with answer also. Thank you for watching. Wait for the next video.